Hello mga kabayan! Hanap nyo ba ay sulit at affordable na glasses? Ano bang hinihintay nyo? Tara na sa Jachi and Mochi Opticals!
Ang Jachi and Mochi ay nag-o-offer ng swak na swak sa budget ninyong lens and frame. Sa halagang 99 reals, makaka-avail na kayo ng medical glasses, computer glasses with free eye check-up. We are also offering single vision lens with frame for only 149 reals. Progressive Ultra Dual Vision lens with frame, 299 reals. And the photochromic lens for only 299 reals. Sunglasses sa halagang 149 reals only. Kaya guys, ano bang hinihintay nyo? Arat na, dito lang yan sa Jachi and Mochi Opticals, located in Crazy Signals opposite of Salam Hypermarket. For more info, you can visit our FB page, TikTok page, and our Instagram account.